Would you like to create a tailored viewing experience for TV, video on demand, radio and interactive services on any device? ArtioPortal is Xterity's powerful state-of-the-art middleware, which enables you to easily create and deliver a dynamic, high-performance viewing interface on any device. ArtioPortal enables you to create a personalised TV and video experience for viewers on their preferred device, easily apply your organisation's branding, display informative and visually engaging content, create multiple designs for different audiences, integrate with hotel property management systems, deliver content via displays, PCs and Macs, mobile devices and thin clients. Let's take a look at a full screen ArtioPortal example. Artio follows a defined template. At the top we have the header area. Within the header area we can have a logo or heading, and we can have live widgets like a clock, weather and more. Similarly, down at the bottom of the interface we have the footer. The footer gives us our customised app selection. Behind each app lies the content the user has access to, which when selected displays in the app area. If we selected the channels application, we get access to the available channel list. Likewise, if we selected the breaking news application, we get access to the pre-configured feeds via the RSS app. ArtioPortal has a header-footer layout as an alternative to the full screen layout. This allows the user to navigate the menu without being taken away from the plain content. The mechanics of Artio allow you to have more than one portal, multiple designs, apps, content and permissions. Each portal within Artio uses an app collection. Each app collection contains apps and/or widgets. Apps require data feeds, for example, channels, on-demand content or recordings. In our example here we have 3 different Artio portals, one for our CEO, one for our employees and one for the canteen. 2 app collections are available and 3 core data feeds. We can see that both the employee and canteen portals share the same app collection, giving them access to TV and video on demand. Whereas the CEO portal has its own app collection, with an additional app giving access to recorded content. With multiple portals comes multiple access levels. A global default for all devices can be set. The next level down allows platform defaults to be set, allowing a different portal between desktops and receivers, for example. Next we have profile defined access. Profiles can be assigned to content groups and users. Users logging in will be delivered to the portal configured against their profile. Second from last we have individual or group selection on receivers. And finally, a user can access a portal with a PIN via a login app. The Channels app provides access to live TV channels and includes EPG. Language allows the user to select the portal language for menus and on-screen text. The Login app enables access to different portals via user credentials. Media Library provides access to video on demand or recordings. Let's take a look at application examples. At the top on the right we have the Media Library application accessing video on demand content. On the left we have the Recordings application listing the different recording types available to the user. Bottom right is the Language application, showing the list of customizable language options available to the user. In addition to standard languages that read and align left to right, ArtioPortal also supports right to left Arabic text. The RSS Reader app allows the user to select items from an RSS feed. Screens app enables text, images and video to be combined into multi-element displays. Search allows the user to search through the data provided by other apps. Web Links displays a list of links to web pages. At the top on the right we have the RSS Reader application accessing live European news feeds. On the left we have the Web Links application listing the approved websites the user has access to. Bottom right is the Search application, allowing the user to quickly search for keywords across the portal's entire app collection. The Clock widget displays the current time and date. Mail provides notification of unread mail when used with the Mailbox app. Messaging works in conjunction with the Media Server messaging application to send messages to users to be displayed on screen. On-screen graphic allows constant display of an image or text on the Artio screen. Weather shows current weather information from the Open Weather Map website. The examples include different configurations of some of the possible widget options. ArtioPortal has additional applications which enhance the user interface for guests within a hospitality environment. The Welcome application allows a custom welcome message to be configured which can include the guest's name. With the Billing application, the guest can view the current status of their bill and finalise their stay using Express Checkout. Room Service gives the guest access to the latest food and beverage menus with the convenience of ordering from the comfort of their room. Form Creation allows customised forms to be presented to the guest, such as booking a taxi or requesting a housekeeping visit. Mailbox allows the hotel staff to communicate personal messages to the guest. The guest will be notified in the widget area that they have received a new message, and messages can be marked as read by the guest. Messages can be pushed to the guest using the messaging application. Messages appear in a defined area of the ArtioPortal interface and can be configured to override what the guest is viewing on screen. ArtioPortal is supported on a number of different device types. Available on Xterity's Video Player receivers for connection to any screen. Available on your desktop, supporting both Windows and Mac and a variety of browser types. Available on Apple and Android devices. And supported on a selection of smart TV manufacturers and also on Samsung's smart signage platform. Xterity has mobile apps which are available on the Apple App Store and Android Play Market. These provide a fluid, intuitive interface for ArtioPortal on smaller screen types. As mentioned, there is support for ArtioPortal on a selection of smart TV manufacturers. These include the Samsung Hospitality series, the LG ProCentric series, and the Philips Media Suite series. Extended functionality for screen mirroring is supported on the Samsung range, so you can watch your own content you may have on your mobile device on the Samsung Smart TV. In a hospitality environment, for example, guests can also add any Samsung Smart Hub app, such as Facebook or Twitter, to ArtioPortal, enabling them access to those services via their hotel room Smart TV. We are continually extending the capabilities of ArtioPortal. For example, we've enabled source switching from within ArtioPortal, which makes it easy to swap to an alternative input source for the TV, such as HDMI to support a games console. Other features which improve the user experience include the ability to keep watching the current channel while browsing the channel list, the option to set up different screen backgrounds per application to help with navigation, and the capacity to integrate with NetX Automation Building Management System to provide Android device controls for rooms, such as heating, lighting, and blinds. ArtioPortal is not limited to just one market. It is designed for users in any industry or environment to access the content they need quickly and effortlessly. Here's an example of ArtioPortal used by one of our corporate customers. It provides live TV and video on demand feeds to their users. Education is a popular market for Xterity, particularly higher education. We find ArtioPortal being utilised around many areas of the campus, such as refreshment areas to deliver live channels and menus, in language departments for access to foreign channels, but most importantly in student accommodation, where having an in-house entertainment system is a key attraction to potential international students. Venues, including stadiums, is another popular market for Xterity. ArtioPortal can not only give access to live TV and pre-recorded highlights, but also allow the user to purchase merchandise and refreshments via the Room Service application. This is key for providing enhanced TV services in VIP hospitality suites. Branding can be applied to private boxes on an individual basis, all controlled centrally from our Media server. We covered the key hospitality features earlier in this video. Hospitality is another market where ArtioPortal enhances the user experience with an easy to navigate interface. On remote locations, particularly within the oil and gas sector, we understand that user entertainment is a priority. Typically these environments have a shift rota that works around the clock, and entertainment is invaluable to any employee that is off shift. Being a multinational sector, language selection is an important feature too. Another important sector for user entertainment is healthcare. Not only does ArtioPortal provide access to live and on-demand content for patients, but also gives access to additional features such as feedback forms, which results in vital information for the healthcare provider. This is just a quick overview of ArtioPortal. To find out more, visit the ArtioPortal product page or contact us to arrange a demonstration from your local Xterity representative.